Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much to spend on a car. Let's dive straight into the popular 24-10 rule. This guideline suggests making a down payment of at least 20% of the car's price. Finance the vehicle for no more than 4 years to avoid excessive interest. Crucially, keep your total monthly car expenses, including insurance, under 10% of your gross income. Following this rule helps ensure your car purchase is financially sound and sustainable. Beyond the initial purchase price, several hidden costs can impact your budget. Insurance premiums vary widely, so get quotes for different models. Fuel costs depend on the car's efficiency and your driving habits. A car getting 30 miles per gallon will save you more than one getting 15. Don't forget routine maintenance, unexpected repairs, and annual registration fees. These ongoing expenses can significantly add to your total cost of ownership, so budget for them upfront. When deciding, consider new versus used cars. New vehicles offer the latest technology, full warranties, and that new car smell, but they depreciate rapidly, losing up to 20% of their value in the first year. Used cars, conversely, have a lower initial price and slower depreciation. Certified pre-owned options provide a middle ground, often with extended warranties and rigorous inspections. Your choice should align with your budget and how long you plan to keep the vehicle. Ultimately, affordability is key. Calculate your total monthly car expenses, including loan payments, insurance, and estimated fuel and maintenance. Ensure this figure fits comfortably within your overall budget, ideally adhering to the 10% rule. Saving for a larger down payment, perhaps 20% or more, can significantly reduce your monthly payments and interest paid over the loan term. Prioritize financial stability over owning a car that stretches your budget too thin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.